Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice exponential question that 5 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 60. So we have to find the value of x here. Now starting our solution, that first of all we just use exponential property that if we have a to the power m plus n, then it can be written as a to the power m times a to the power n. So here this can be written as 5 to the power x times 5 squared, which is equal to 60. So now here if we divide both hand side by this 5 squared, so this 5 squared is actually 5 times x times 5 squared is equal to 25, which is equal to 60. Now dividing this 25 on both hand side, so here on our left hand side we just cancel out 25 with 25, so we have 5 to the power x is equal to that this 60 can be factorized like that 5 times 12, which is equal to 60, and similarly 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So cancelling 5 with 5, we have 5 to the power x is equal to 12 divided by 5. So now our next step is here if we take logarithm on both hand side, so taking log on both sides, then we get log 5 to the power x is equal to log 12 over 5. Now here on our left hand side we use logarithm law that log a to the power m is equal to m times log a. So here left hand side will be x log 5, which is equal to, here we use logarithm law that if we have log a over b, it is equal to log a minus log b. So this will be log 12 minus log 5. So now dividing log 5 on both hand side, then we get here dividing by log 5, and similarly our right hand side it is log 5. So left hand side will be log 5 cancel with each other, then we get x is equal to, here x is equal to the log 12. So if we just write this denominator separately, here log 5 and minus log 5 over log 5. So in next step x is equal to this log 12, we just write 4 times 3 all over log 5, and here log 5 is cancelled out with log 5, so we get minus 1. Now our next step is x is equal to, here x is equal to, here we use logarithm law as we have log a times b, then it is equal to log a plus log b. So this will be log 4 plus log 3 all over log 5 minus 1. So now our next step is, now x is equal to, here we are going to write log 4 separately with denominator which is log 5, and similarly plus log 3 over log 5 and minus 1. So now x is equal to, here we use logarithm law that if we have log a divided by log b, it will be equal to log a to base b. So now here log 4 to base 5, and it will be log 3 to base 5 and minus 1. So it is our value of x that we have just find out. Now we have to verify our result here. So now checking our problem, that is if we recall our problem, so our problem is 5 to the power x plus 2, which is equal to 60. Now using exponential law, then we get 5 to the power x here times 5 squared, is equal to 60. Now putting value of x, that 5 to the power x is log 4 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5 and minus 1 times this 5 squared, which is equal to 60. So now our next step is that here, as we know that by exponential law, if we have log a to the power m plus n, it is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So here 5 to the power log 4 to base 5 times 5 to the power log 3 to base 5 times 5 to the power minus 1 times this 5 squared, that is equal to 60. So now our next step is, here we use logarithm law, as we have let us consider a to the power log b to base a, then it will be equal to b. So using here, then here value of b is 4, similarly here value of b is 3, and this 5 to the power minus 1 can also be written as we have a to the power minus n, it is equal to 1 over a to the power n. So here it is 1 over 5 to the power 1, so times 5 squared, that 5 squared is equal to 25, that is 60. So now our next step is, here 5 1 is 5, 5 5s are 25, so we get 4 times 3 is 12 and times 5. So our final step is 12 times 5 is 60 is equal to 60. So hence we prove that left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side. So our final answer is x is equal to log 4 to base 5 plus log 3 to base 5 minus 1. It is our final answer. So we have just verified this value of x. Now checking our entire solution. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.